6 signs of inflammation that should not be ignored. Inflammation is your body's natural response to protect itself from harm. When you get injured, your body will send white blood cells to the site of injury to kill bacteria and start the healing process. But sometimes inflammation gets out of control and it can start damaging your own tissues. It's called chronic inflammation. The danger is that chronic inflammation can silently damage your body for years without any symptoms. That's why it's important to learn about the silent signs of inflammation, so you can fight back with food and lifestyle changes. Sign No. 1 is headache. Headaches are usually caused by muscle tension or stress. But did you know that inflammation can also cause headaches? When there's inflammation in your body, your blood vessels dilate to allow more immune cells to pass through. This dilation can put pressure on the nerves around your brain, triggering a headache. So if you often get headaches, especially in the morning, it could be a sign of inflammation. The second sign is redness. When you have inflammation, your blood vessels dilate to bring more immune cells to the affected area. This dilation makes the blood vessels more visible through your skin, causing redness. For example, if you have a rash, it may be red and inflamed because your body is responding to an irritant. Or if you have acne, the redness around the pimples is a sign of inflammation. But remember, not all redness is caused by inflammation. Allergies and certain medications can also cause your skin to become red. So it's important to look for other signs to confirm if you have inflammation. Sign No. 3 is swelling. Swelling occurs when there's an increase in fluid in the tissues. It happens because during inflammation, your blood vessels dilate, allowing fluid to leak out and cause swelling. For example, if you have a sprained ankle, you might notice that the area around your ankle becomes swollen and inflamed. Or if you have a cut on your finger, the skin around the cut may become puffy and red. But swelling can also be caused by other factors such as kidney disease or heart failure. So if you notice that your legs, feet, or abdomen are swollen, it's important to see a doctor to rule out other conditions. The fourth sign is pain. Pain is one of the most common symptoms of inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it means that there is some kind of damage or irritation to the tissues. Your body responds to this damage by sending pain signals to the brain so that you can protect the affected area. For example, if you have a sprained ankle, you might feel pain when you put weight on your foot. Or if you have a cut on your finger, you might feel sharp, stabbing pains when you move your finger. The pain usually goes away once the inflammation is resolved and the tissues have healed. However, sometimes pain can persist even after the inflammation is gone. In these cases, it's important to see a doctor to rule out other conditions. The fifth sign is heat. When you have inflammation, your body sends more blood to the affected area. This increase in blood flow causes the area to become warm and hot to the touch. For example, if you have a sprained ankle, the area around the ankle may feel warm and swollen. Or if you have a cut on your finger, the skin around the cut may be hot and red. This increase in temperature is your body's way of helping the healing process. The heat helps to kill off any bacteria and speed up the healing of damaged tissues. However, sometimes heat can also be a sign of other conditions, such as an infection or a tumor. So if you notice that you have a lump that feels warm to the touch, it's important to see a doctor to rule out other conditions. Sign number 6 is loss of function. When you have inflammation, it can cause pain and swelling, which can make it difficult to move around. For example, if you have a sprained ankle, you might find it hard to walk or put weight on your foot. Or if you have a cut on your finger, you might find it hard to move your finger or use it to do things such as typing. Inflammation can also cause fatigue because your body is working overtime to fight off infection or heal damaged tissues. This fatigue can make it hard to do everyday activities, such as getting out of bed in the morning or going to work. If you notice that you have a loss of function or you're feeling tired all the time, it's important to see a doctor to rule out other conditions. Now that you're aware of the signs of inflammation, it's time to take action. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many health risks, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. That's why it's important to make lifestyle changes that can help reduce inflammation in your body. Here are 5 tips to reduce inflammation in your body. Number 1, eat an anti-inflammatory diet. There are certain foods that can help reduce inflammation in your body. These include fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts and seeds, such as walnuts and flax seeds, which are high in fiber and healthy fats, fruits and vegetables. which contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that can help reduce inflammation, and olive oil, which is a healthy fat that can help reduce inflammation. No. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help reduce inflammation by increasing blood flow and delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep is important for overall health and well-being. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can promote inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Number 4. Manage stress. Stress can trigger inflammation, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. And number 5. Quit smoking. Smoking has been shown to increase inflammation in the body. If you smoke, talk to your healthcare provider about resources that can help you quit. By following these tips, you can help reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start with one habit today and stick with it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And if you want to stay on this journey with us, don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Take care and see you next time.